Dear students, welcome in Pune ZP Pune online education class. Dear students, today we are going to learn Standard 4 Subject English Maya's Dream. Page number 51 and 52. Its learning outcome is as this. Dear friends, let's start Maya's dream. Children, now open your My English Book 4. Open page number 51. Listen and read with me. ऐका आणि माझ्यासोबत वाचा. Maya the milkmaid was carrying a pot of milk on her head.
Maya the milkmaid was carrying a pot of milk on her head.
The milk was fresh and creamy.
The milk was fresh and creamy.
Maya began to dream.
Maya began to dream.
There's so much milk in the pot.
There's so much milk in the pot.
It's rich and creamy.
It's rich and creamy.
I'll make nice thick dahi with this milk.
I'll make nice thick dahi with this milk.
Then I'll churn it and make butter.
Then I'll churn it and make butter.
I'll take the butter to the market.
I'll take the butter to the market.
Many people will come to buy the soft and tasty butter.
Many people will come to buy the soft and tasty butter.
I will sell it at a good price.
I will sell it at a good price.
I will get a lot of money.
I will get a lot of money.
What shall I do with the money?
What shall I do with the money?
I know what I will do.
I know what I will do.
I will buy big golden earrings.
I will buy big golden earrings.
They will be much better than Mira's earrings.
They will be much better than Mira's earrings.
She is always showing them off.
She is always showing them off.
But now, Mira, just you wait.
But now, Mira, just you wait.
I will wear them and walk past her like this.
I will wear them and walk past her like this.
Maya began to walk with her head held high.
Maya began to walk with her head held high.
She moved her head slowly from side to side.
She moved her head slowly from side to side.
The milk in her pot rolled gently.
The milk in her pot rolled gently.
Maya went on dreaming.
Maya went on dreaming.
When Meera sees my rings, she will get a surprise.
When Meera sees my ring, she will get a surprise.
She will say, "Oh, what lovely rings!" Wait, Maya, wait.
She will say, "Oh, what lovely rings! Wait, Maya, wait.
I want to see your rings.
I want to see your rings."
But will I wait? Oh no.
But will I wait? Oh no.
Why should I? Does she ever wait for me? No.
Why should I? Does she ever wait for me? No.
I will just toss my head like this.
I will just toss my head like this.
Maya tossed her head with a jerk.
Maya tossed her head with a jerk.
And what's this?
And what's this?
Away flew the pot of milk.
Away flew the pot of milk.
Out spilled the milk.
Out spilled the milk.
No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings.
No milk, no dahi, no butter, no earrings.
Maya lost her earrings.
Maya lost her earrings.
Even before she bought them.
Even before she bought them.
Students, now you listen and read with me the story Maya's Dream. I hope you better understand this story. Children, was the story interesting?
Yes, this story is interesting as well as funny.
What lesson do you learn from Maya?
We learn the lesson that one should never daydream and assume things.
Guess the meaning of the following words. Milkmaid,
Woman who sells milk.
churn,
To stir the liquid.
jerk,
A quick, sudden movement.
spilled,
Cause to flow.
Students, write the steps in Maya's dream from milk to earrings.
Maya is out to sell the milk. She starts dreaming on her way. She will make nice and thick dahi from the milk. Then she will churn it and take butter out of it. She will take it to the market to sell. She will earn a lot of money. She will buy golden earrings from the money. Maya will wear the earrings to make Meera jealous. She will not allow Meera to observe her earrings. She spills the milk when saying no to Meera in her dream.
Dear children, now tell me the answers of next questions. How was the milk?
rich and creamy.
What will Maya make from the milk?
Dahi,
Very good. What will Maya make from dahi?
butter,
Very nice. What will Maya buy from the money?
golden earrings.
Very nice. Who will be jealous of Maya's earrings?
Meera,
Very good. Students, now you have to do some homework. Choose any 3-4 lines from the story and enact them. Dear students, thank you for watching.